Crazy crew, what it do? It's Crazy Steve. Today, I'm just, want to go over some Lego I purchased and another purchase I made for the channel in the form of a microphone. So I gotta be honest, it's been a while since I sat down in this chair and brought a video like this to you guys because I ended up hating doing it. Like, it was miserable because the way I was doing it was just so backwards that it just didn't make sense. So I finally spent $20 on a microphone. So now I can just turn on the camera, start recording, and I have the freedom of movement. So I can be sitting here. I can be posted up all the way back here. Hell, I could be posted all the way up here on top of the fridge. So as you can see, it basically gives me a whole lot more freedom to be creative, try some new things, and maybe even bring more engaging editing into it with, just quick cuts, stuff like that. So that's what I'm excited about with the microphone. All right. Enough about the microphone. You guys are probably bored to death unless you've been around the channel and have watched the progress from the beginning. So you clicked on this to see Lego. So I'm gonna show you some Lego and what I'm bringing to the channel in the future to review. All right. If you've noticed the channel, I've been starting to upload poly bags a little bit more. Something that I've been kind of neglecting. But if you know me, I like cheap Lego. I like small Lego that's meant to be played with. I'm not into this big, grand $400, $300 on a Lego set that I'm just gonna look at. It's gonna collect dust and it's gonna be a pain in the ass to clean. I don't want that. I want the stuff I can play with. I wanna make little scenes. I want my guys, I wanna role play and have fun like that, like save that for all the people who don't have fun. I mean, I like to have fun and be crazy. So anyways, let's get into the poly bags that I purchased. I keep getting off track. Anyways, starting with Star Wars. I got two Star Wars ones. I got the AAT, which, I'm not sure when it released, but they have to be fairly new if they were all on Target's website. So I'm assuming sometime this year, but that's one from Star Wars. Second one from Star Wars, we have the TIE Interceptor. That's 48 pieces. It's just a ship, no minifigure. So, I mean, that's a little low piece count for just a ship. I mean, most of the time, like this Ninjago one that I'm going to be uploading or had just uploaded, that one had 40 some pieces and 2 minifigures in it. So what's going on with that? Then we have from Speed Champions, the McLaren Formula 1 car. I've never built a Speed Champions poly bag, but small cars I do have some experience with, and typically they come out looking good. This is better than that stupid little police car they released from City, and it's like half the size of that one, so I'm excited for that. Animal Crossing, that's a line I've never dove into, so I picked up Maple's Pumpkin Garden, and you might be looking at me and you go, oh, this dude doesn't play Animal Crossing. Wrong, because I absolutely love Animal Crossing. I've been playing it since the one on the DS. I can't give you the name of it, but all I remember is Tom Nook robbing me for all my money, so I'm excited to be able to play with Animal Crossing and not have to worry about repaying loans and everything. Then we have one from Marvel, the Venom Street Bike, 53 pieces. Guess what? A minifigure. So you gotta wonder why the TIE Interceptor couldn't include a minifigure. Technic, I have the NASA Mars Rover Perseverance. Now, I've never done a Technic set before, which is a shame because a lot of them look really cool, but that's going back to that I don't spend $300 on a Lego set that I'm pretty much gonna look at. For a lot of these bigger Technic sets, like, you're not playing with them, you're putting them on a shelf and looking at them, and I can't do that for $300. Then from my favorite license, we have Steve and the Baby Panda. This is an updated version of the Steve minifigure. It came in another set that would have been, oh man, I can't remember the set. But anyways, it came in another set. Oh, Steve's Desert Expedition, it came in. And it had the little blue across the eyes, but this doesn't have the blue across the eyes. So like, if you're looking for the updated version of Steve, this is the one to go with. It's $5 and you get that minifigure. Then, shocker, I picked up one from Disney. Now, I've only ever done one other Disney set on the channel, and that was a short of the Twirling Rapunzel. I don't have that listed anymore though. So I'm gonna bring this in a little bit of a long format, and I'm excited. I like to diversify and try different things. I don't end up really keeping the Disney stuff. It's a little too girly for me, but I always got people that I can give it away to, and they've got children or girls that would love to play with it compared to me, who is more into like Minecraft, And finally, we have Lego Harry Potter, Draco in the Forbidden Forest. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not a Potterhead. So Lego Harry Potter really doesn't interest me like that, but I'm excited to, get a minifigure from the line, and maybe, this set will just spark something in me and I'll get into it. I don't know. But anyways, that's like the 9 poly bags that I picked up for the channel, and I'm gonna try and upload those at least once a week, and I'm aiming for Monday for those. You know, it gives me time for the rest of the week to go for the bigger content and, you know, put that all together with the extra time that I have. Don't go, don't leave just yet, don't leave just yet. There's still more. Oh my. On Bricklink, I ordered 4 used sets from Lego Minecraft. Again, my favorite license. So I'm gonna get into these ones, starting with the Skull Arena. Much like the End Arena, this one's just meant to recreate like a little battle scene that you would see maybe in like Minecraft multiplayer or something. And skulls are really cool. So it's gonna be a little bit cooler than the End Arena because skulls are cool. That's one of them. Then I have a small Lego Minecraft set I got for like $3. I mean, you can't beat that for the Taiga Adventure. And with all the other ones, I mean, the shipping was combined, so it didn't even like eat into me like that way. So adding this one to my small Minecraft set collection is going to be nice, and it's going to really round that off. I'm not sure if there's too many more that I really have to get from that like $10 price point. So anyways, the third one is the Iron Golem. Now, I don't have an Iron Golem anywhere in my collection yet, so getting to add the mob to, you know, my collection is going to be a lot of fun, and that's exciting to me. And I get it, guys. You're probably saying to yourself, this guy just says he's excited for everything. Well, I just wanted to let you know that I only buy things I'm going to be excited for. I'm not one of those reviewers who's going out and just buying a set to review it just to review it and then getting rid of it after. I mean, I like to collect this stuff. I like to display. I like to play with it. So, I mean, I'm only getting the stuff that I like, and that's typically Lego Minecraft. So I'm always excited for that. Anyways, the 4th Lego Minecraft set that I'm excited for is the Zombie Cave. This one's already built because, you know, last weekend I had someone over and we just decided, hey, let's build a Minecraft set and have some fun for the night. We built the Zombie Cave and it looks really cool, but I'm gonna break this one down and I'm gonna bring a build video and a proper review of it for you guys. So that should be exciting. And, you know, one other thing I have around here, let me get it for you, is some used Lego. And you're probably wondering, why do you have all this dirty used Lego? And well, there was a garage sale in my hometown this past weekend and I went out looking. I was hoping to find some better stuff, but I found like this Friend set, and I mean, the stuff is absolutely filthy. And there's a lot of good plates in it though, so that's why I picked it up. And this one has a big green one for Lego Minecraft World, so that's why I picked it up. But I gotta clean it. So I'm gonna be bringing you a how to clean your Lego video here. I mean, I did it before whenever I did like my big bulk order, but I didn't videotape the cleaning process. It was all new to me. So I'm gonna bring you a fun video on how to clean your Lego here in the future with this Friend set. All right, so that's everything I bought for the channel between Lego and equipment. So if you enjoyed the video, join the crazy crew, subscribe to the channel, like that shit, and remember, stay crazy.